Following the driest September on record, we're in for a week with a mixed bag of severe weather across southeastern Australia, with heavy rainfall, damaging winds, the risk of flooding and severe thunderstorms all on the forecast. But to start with, let's see what's happening at the moment. So today we had this strong cold front that moved across southern parts of WA. Now ahead of that front we've got dry, hot and gusty northerly winds that are elevating fire dangers, and behind the front much cooler conditions with showers and storms and even some damaging wind gusts earlier in the day about coastal parts. There are severe weather warnings that are current for southeastern parts of the country, however, for central and eastern parts of Victoria and pushing into the alpine areas of New South Wales as well. And they're for damaging gusts of up to 100 kilometres per hour to develop in the early hours of tomorrow morning. Now, winds of this strength have the potential to bring down trees or power lines and create particularly hazardous driving conditions. So let's see how things are going to play out over the next few days. So it's being driven by this strong cold front approaching southeastern Australia, with the showers and possible storms really starting to thicken up on Tuesday into a rain band. Now we're forecasting heavy rainfall to affect eastern parts of Victoria, mainly about the slopes and ranges in the northeast, and also about southeastern parts of New South Wales as well, with the potential for 50 to 100 millimetres possible. Now, because of that, we have issued some flood watches for these areas, so it's really important if you live within these areas to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings, because it is an evolving weather situation. Now, as we move into Wednesday is going to be a big day with regards to severe weather, and that's thanks to this low pressure system that's expected to rapidly intensify as it draws down tropical moisture from the north. We're forecasting a broad area of rain extending from southern Queensland all the way through New South Wales into Victoria, with the heaviest rainfalls likely to be about eastern Victoria and into southeast New South Wales, including the Riverina. So again, stay up to date with the latest warnings. Now, as we watch that low pressure system, there's also the potential for severe thunderstorms pretty much anywhere within that rain band. And with the severe thunderstorms comes potential heavy rainfall or damaging wind gusts. However, the storms further north across Queensland are expected to be slightly drier. Now on Thursday, the damaging winds and heavy rainfall will start to contract to the east into East Gippsland and also about the south coast of New South Wales as well, before that low skirts off and the weather starts to really improve by Friday. So how much rainfall are we talking with this system? So here we're looking at the accumulated rainfall total. So that's how much rainfall we're expecting to be accumulated between now and Friday. And you can see that it's anywhere above 100 up to 150 millimetres is expected through eastern parts of Victoria and pushing into the northern side of the New South Wales border as well. So it's important that if you live across southeastern parts of the country, that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau website or app, and of course listen to all advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.